Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and let me show you how to turn on or off charging sounds. First, enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select sound and vibration. So here it is, sounds and vibration. And now go a bit lower. Here you will notice actually over here, sorry. So under a ringtone you've got a system sound, mark to open, and here you've got charging. So smoothly by using this indicator you can activate or deactivate charging sounds. Also here you can customize the volume, and if you want to activate also vibration for charging, just enter system vibration and do the same stuff under charging. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.